Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be unboxing this month's BoxyCharm. As you beautiful people know, this is about the products, not the people behind them. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away, because this is a channel of positive energy, okay? Thank you. Hold up, I need some lip balm. So like always, I am so fucking excited to unbox this, and not gonna lie, this is definitely one of the highlights of my month. Which I know sounds very lame, but they legit pack some good shit in this. But for those of us who may be new here and are a little bit unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, they are a $21 a month beauty subscription service where each month you get over $100 worth of full-size luxury beauty items, and honey, these bitches slay the game. Like, they have added so many amazing makeup items to my makeup collection, from MAC, Makeup Geek, Oprah. Like, there really isn't any major brand that's off limits. And not gonna lie, some of the bigger ticket items that we've gotten are products that I might not have otherwise been able to afford. And so BoxyCharm has made it so that I can test products from brands that when I was younger I could only dream about trying. I just really like this service. I think they have great ethics, they have great customer service, and usually anytime I get a product in here that I'm kind of disappointed in, the rest of the box will totally make up for it. And like always, anytime I get anything for free on this channel, I will always let you know. That's how we always do it, because we are family, we are friends, and nothing can break that. But BoxyCharm does provide this service to me at no charge to review for you, but does that mean I'm a sugarcoat a damn thing? Fuck no. If I love something in here, I'll tell you. If I hate it, I'll let you know. And if at any point you decide, hey, I kind of fucking love that box, and you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, BoxyCharm was kind enough to provide me with a link down below for you to use, but please do not feel obligated to go through me. It's there if you want it, I'm just saying. But let's go ahead and crack into this little bitch, though I do have to say I did so fucking good this month. Like, I saw no spoilers at all. I love to keep this a surprise, but I avoided the BoxyCharm Instagram page like it was fucking syphilis. Oh, whew, yes, that was a good one. All right, and on the top is always a card giving us the theme for this month, but it also has the spoilers in it, so I'm not gonna look too far into it. But this month's theme is Wildflower. Oh my goodness, they have had the most beautiful models for BoxyCharm lately. Like, look at them, they're gorgeous. Fuck me, they're probably all famous influencers too. That just shows how ignorant I am when it comes to social media. Anyways, I do like to keep this as much of a surprise as possible, so I'm not gonna look at it. And the first thing we have is, oh, is it a denture holder? No, it is a, Laura Geller New York Baked Blush. Wow, shit is getting fancy this month. Ooh, damn, that's buttery soft. Ooh, she is pretty. Ooh, look at that glow she got. Damn, I don't think I own anything from Laura Geller. Ooh, that does not smell good though. I'm pretty sure it's just the glue. It's really not that bad, but it kind of smells like what I used to dissect in anatomy class. Don't care though, because it is pretty as fuck. Oh, damn, I'm excited to use that. Oh, I want to try to look at this without seeing any spoilers. Oh, shit, I saw some. Okay, I found it. This is the Laura Geller Baked Blush in Brighton, which retails for $28. I feel like that's expensive, but it also looks like you get kind of a shit ton of product, so I'm really not mad at that. But this says, add a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles and hand finished into a silky dome of powder. This smooth and long-wearing formula is paraben-free and infused with skin-loving antioxidants. Italy, you say? That shit is bougie. Speaking of bougie, let me take a sip from my $8 coffee. But we are off to a very good start so far. Let's keep it going. Next up, we have something that could also be a pocket vibrator? No. Well, golly, I'm just terrible at guessing. This is Butter London Stroke of Wow. Ooh, stroke, so I was kind of right. What is this? Roll-on precision liner. Oh my god, really? Did we not learn from that MAC fiasco? I feel like people made a complete mockery of the original product. Why is there another one? Okay, well, let's see how she works. Oh. Okay, that's actually not that bad. Except, how are you supposed to get, like, a fine point? Like, even when I do a flick, it's not that fine of a point. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this, because Butter London is actually a really, really good brand. Like, I hear nothing but good things about them, and I actually have quite a few of their products that I love. But the only thing I like with the word stroke in it also charges me by the hour. But I'm not gonna talk too much shit about it yet, because it might work amazingly. Our sexy handy-dandy little sheet says this Butter London Stroke of Wow roll-on liner retails for $19. I don't know that I'm excited about this product, but they say create precise, ultra-fine wing liner looks with this innovative liquid liner. The ergonomic handle gives you insane control while creating your liner looks. The roll-on applicator does all the work for you while delivering a pitch black pigment that meets even your boldest standards. Created with a longevity complex, this quick-drying, smudge-proof formula is guaranteed to last. Guaranteed to last? Well, I like the sounds of that. It already sounds better than half my relationships. Moving on, what do we have? A Lorac product of some sort. A Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick. Damn, they're going all out this month. Way to go, BoxyCharm. Shit. But before I get too excited, let's see what color it is. Oh, That's actually really pretty. It's kind of like a deep berry color. I don't normally wear berry shades, but I do like this deeper kind of one. Oh shit, that's pretty. And that is perfect for fall too. We are gonna rock the piss out of this. But this is the shade Deep Burgundy. I really like it. And on our little sheet, it looks like you could have gotten two colors. It looks like there's a lighter one and a darker one, but I'm actually really glad that we got the darker one because it matches my soul. This Lorac Pro liquid lipstick retails for $19, not too bad. They say go pro with this Lorac Pro liquid lipstick. With the smooth glide of a gloss and the high-end pigment of a lipstick, this creamy, lightweight, and long-lasting pro formula coats the lips in a bold color that dries down to a comfortable matte finish. The pointed applicator delivers precise, full coverage that lasts without bleeding or transferring. This formula is infused with antioxidants and vitamins that your lips will love. All I gotta say is it better be blowjob proof. Next up, I think we have a few items left. What do we have here? Is it a makeup palette? Oh shit, it actually is. This is from Pretty Vulgar, another really good brand. Something smells like chocolate. It is not this. I just caught whiffs. Oh, it's the lipstick. Oh my god, that smells really fucking good. It's kind of like tapioca pudding. Anyways, back to this. This is the Nightingale eyeshadow palette from Pretty Vulgar. And ooh, okay, that is very, very dark, and I really want color. But it's definitely still very pretty and very much on the safe side, which really is smart because you gotta kind of put out universal products because you don't know who's getting this box. Let me just feel a couple of these. Ooh, that feels very nice, and holy shit is that pigmented. Ooh, damn. I do only have like maybe 3 or 4 products from Pretty Vulgar, but everything that I've gotten, I've really liked. Their blush that I have, I actually use it as an eyeshadow because it's so fucking pigmented. So even though this is kind of a basic palette, I'm still really excited to try it out and pair it with those deep lips, like, oh, orgasmic. And this Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette retails for $35. That's a lot of money. Made up of 12 highly pigmented shades, the Nightingale palette is sure to help you create the best looks. The matte shimmer and satin shades are soft in texture, and the luxuriously smooth formula makes it easy for blending and long wear. Well, this daddy bitch definitely approves, and it feels like we only have one more item, which is brushes. Where are these from? I really cannot tell. That is a terrible logo choice. I cannot read that. Holy shit. Ooh, it's really soft though. Like, that feels luxurious. These are Alamar Cosmetics. How do they get Alamar from that? Anyway, these Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set retails for $18. Whoa, that's a lot of money, but these are really fucking soft. Like, these do honestly feel like primo brushes. Like, sometimes we'll get brushes that say they're like $50 on here and they won't feel that great, but these do kind of feel like hair. And these are made with 100% synthetic fibers. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies color onto your lids, while the fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend colors together. The flat tight liner brush is perfect for direct color application on your lash line. Well, I gotta say, I'm actually really fucking impressed with this month's BoxyCharm. The only thing that I'm not 100% sold on yet is the Butter London liner, but for all I know, it could be fucking amazing. So overall, I'm really happy. Let's go ahead and create a look with these. For foundation, let's go in with this LA Girl Pro Matte, a long wear foundation in the shade Medium Beige. I have no idea if this is my color or not, but we'll see. Knowing me, it's probably 10 shades too deep and way too yellow. And can we get a few claps from my broken ass Morphe foundation brush? That is awesome. No biggie, it was only like 20 bucks. And the color actually isn't too terrible today, but of course we are a bit on the yellow side. For concealer, let's try a little bit of Makeup Revolution in the shade C9, which I'm actually gonna blend out with a brush. I've been trying to use fewer sponges and work more with brushes lately because I feel like it just gives my skin a little bit better look. And then the only time I'll use a sponge is when I put powder to set my under eyes, and for the powder I'm using Dermablend's loose setting powder. And I probably needed like 3 or 4 layers of concealer because allergies are fucking real, but honestly it's whatever today. And let's go ahead and jump right into the eyeshadow. We are gonna keep it more on the simple side because I am gonna do such a bold lip. Oh fuck, I should probably prime my eyes first. To do that, I'm using NYX's Shadow Base. Oh god, there's something in my eye. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, we're good. Let's start off with a base shadow on the lid, so I'm gonna dip into Hide and Seek, and I'm just gonna place that all over the lid. Oh, fuck me, that has some fallout. Okay, let's take a little bit of translucent powder and pack it right under the eyes to catch any fallout. And go back in and spread that color all over the lid. Actually, let me try applying it with my finger. That might be a bit better. Oh shit, yes, that is the way to go. Though this brush actually is really nice and soft, I think it might just be a little bit too dense. It's definitely not holding the pigment well, so we're gonna set that over to the side. And with our fluffy brush, I'm gonna dip into Flip Out. And let's gonna tap that into the outer corner and slowly start to work it along the crease line. Back and forth, yes baby, just like that. Ugh. Ooh, shit, that actually blends out really fucking nicely, especially with this fluffy brush. Good job, shit. You know what, I'm actually gonna take some of that brown and slap it on the lid too, why the fuck not? And we definitely will try this little liner roller thingy, but before we do that, I'm gonna create a pre-line and kind of smoke that out, so let's dip into All Nighter with this flat brush. And I'm gonna take that as tight as I can into the lashes, almost touching the lashes. Let's make a little wing right there. mascara. Holy shit. Did not think it was that pigmented. How do I fix this? Maybe a little foundation? Fuck. Okay, that seems to have taken a little bit off. Let me just blend this out and cover my mistakes. Okay, very lightly make a little tiny wing. Okay, you know what? This just is not happening. It's totally my fault. I fucked up. On the lower lash, I'm gonna smoke out Flip Out. And you know what? I just decided, fuck the norms of society. We're going dark on the eyes and the lips. So I'm gonna take a MAC Black Kohl pencil and line the lower lash and then smoke it down. And with this painter brush we used, let's dip into the Shimmer Witch's Clutch. And with that, I'm gonna place it on the inner 2/3 of the eye to help brighten this look up. And then on the inner corner, a tiny bit of Break Free. And before we go in and finish this look off with some mascara and falsies, let's try this little guy. Oh God, I'm scared. All right, bud, here we go. Oh. Okay. All right. I can tell you, I already kind of hate this. Like, no. No, 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 no. This is so much harder than using like a felt tip liner, and look at that. What the actual fuck is that? God, it looks like my eye grew a fucking black dick. Okay, but we will try to salvage this. Oh my God, RuPaul, if you can hear me, fucking help me. Okay, you know what? I'm calling bullshit on this. This little guy sucks. The formula is fucking amazing. Like, it's already dried down. It's really comfortable on the eyes. It is so fucking black and pigmented, but it's this applicator. Okay, I'm gonna go in and try to fix this with my trusty Kat Von D tattoo liner. And I don't mean to be such a bitch because I typically do like Butter London, but this is just awful. Maybe I could dip a brush into the little canister, into the formula, but right now we're just gonna stick with this. Which I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like today's dramatic wing. All right, the eyes are done. I do wish the lashes were a little bit bigger, but I don't want people to think I'm trying to compensate for something. And I did go ahead and contour and bronze up a little bit, so we are ready for some blush. All right, I'm just gonna very lightly dip into this because this seems extremely pigmented. I think that added a little bit of color. I mean, I don't think it looks bad. Let's go in with my favorite makeup item ever, highlighter, and this one is Popluxe Kylie. Oh, yes, honey, glow. Oh, I kind of really like the way this looks with a nude lip, but we will still go in with this Lorac. Hopefully this doesn't look terrible. Let's see. Oh my God, that goes on amazingly. Oh, this is like one of those lipsticks that's better than sex. Damn. Ooh, I am serving you vampy bitch today. Just to add a tiny bit of dimension to the lips, I'm gonna tap in the middle some of Ofra's Santa Ana. Right there. And here we are with the final look. It is very dark, but that was a choice, and this is a mood. I actually really like it. Like, this is definitely very me. And now that we're zoomed out even farther, I can see the blush on the apples of my cheeks, and it's very, very subtle, which kind of makes me like it even more. The lipstick, so far, I'm kind of in love with it. Like, it doesn't really feel like there's anything on my lips. We will see how it wears during the wear time test, but so far, I'm really impressed with it. The eyeshadow palette, I think it's really good quality. Yes, the colors are on the very, very bland neutral side, but still, I think the looks that you can create with it are definitely geared towards the mass people. The brushes, I love the fuck out of this blending brush. Like, I could never have too many of these, and this is actually a really good one. These two other brushes, I could honestly give or take. I mean, this one didn't really hold the powder that great. It did hold a shimmer okay, but I'm probably gonna use this more for like cutting creases from now on. But this liner, I legit don't know what the fuck to do with this. Like, I can't give this away to any of my friends, which just sucks because the formula is really good. Like, this looks amazing on my hand. It is so matte, it is so black, and I'm so bummed. But let's go ahead and do a wear time test. It is gonna be on the short side because I have to go pack to leave the country, and I also have to film yet another video today. But nonetheless, I will see you sexy bitches in just a second. And we are back. It has only been like 2 hours. Honestly, it wasn't even worth doing wear time tests, but still everything looks and feels pretty much the exact same. And what I said before absolutely still holds true. I love everything except for this little bitch. And the retail value for everything that we got today is almost $120. So I mean, $20 for $120, that's not too bad. And if we were to factor out that liner, there is still $100 worth of items that I will still use. Like, overall, I am impressed with this month's box. Like, we got some good ass names in there. Like, good job, BoxyCharm. Snaps to you, but for fuck's sake, can we stop with the roller liner? Like, everybody, please. Also, not sure if you can see it on camera, but in person, you can see a ring around my lips of lipstick from where I fucked it up, so my bad. But there you go. Like I said before, if you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, please feel free to use the link below, but do not feel obligated to go through me. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepopluxe.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at officialnady, and you can follow me online at thepopluxe.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye.